on. I was setting up to do a whole big production video about the drawing for the 400 subscriber celebration giveaway, but we've got some clouds rolling in and they're saying we're going to have rain in about an hour, so I've got to clear things out, get things out of the weather so that they don't get ruined. So I have put together a bit of a video of what I've been up to, and then we'll finish that off with the drawing. All right? Video going, what's in the box, man? What's in the box? Pretty good condition for the weight of the thing that's usually being sent in this. The box
is it a tool?
It is a tool. It is a heavy tool. Get that to the trash can in a little bit. Other people have purchased this, and it's come in insufficient packaging, and so parts of it were sticking out. Okay. Right? So this time, maybe they saw those unboxing videos, and they decided to improve their packaging a little bit.
Heavy boy.
It's a heavy boy.
It's a very heavy boy. It doesn't look very big.
It isn't very big, but that's because, unlike that boy, this is steel.
Ooh.
That's cast iron.
I just remember my dad's who had the this size.
Yeah, those are the 100,
by the front door.
180 pound.
Yeah. Like ridiculously heavy ones. And it has that square hole, and he put a mace in it. Because he was sitting by the front door, and he had the weapons rack right there.
It is still cast, but it is cast steel, so it has a lower carbon content than cast iron, and as such, it can take a lot more abuse.
So anvils are mainly as like a conservation of energy?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a Chinesium one. And you can see right here where their casting had flaws, and they fill it with Bondo and then paint it. So nice, very nice. So the new anvil, considerably taller than the Harbor Freight anvil that I've been using, by about, or I could say precisely, by 2 3/8 of an inch. Footprint is considerably smaller. Which means, yay, I get to build a new anvil stand. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I've got some wood left over here, and I got some brand new 4x4, and I'm going to put together a new anvil stand, and then maybe turn this into a barbecue stand. This is it upside down. My old anvil stand upside down. By no means am I going to get rid of this Harbor Freight. I'm actually planning on mounting it on a new forge stand so that I could have a quick striking anvil right out of the forge for forge welding, and then have this for my main anvil. It is, as Roy pointed out, a farrier's horn, the way it sticks up, and its shelf is considerably deeper than the Harbor Freight shelf. Harbor Freight shelf was about 1/4 of an inch. That's a good 5/8, half inch to 5/8 inch right there. You can see the edge on this one, and you can see the finish that they leave it in. So I have to take care, I have to dress those edges. Ooh, that needs some dressing too. This Hardy hole off of the Harbor Freight is not square. But this looks almost about the right size for the tools that I've already made. If it's slightly smaller, that's even better. I just grind my tools down. And then it has the Pritchell hole, 3/8 of an inch, just like Roy said. I'm not upset about that because whenever I try to punch a quarter inch hole, I need a smaller backer there. So that gives a little bit more meat behind what I'm punching. Now you see what I was up to. Got my anvil. This is the same anvil that Roy Adams had reviewed, and it's not the same one that he's giving away. He's giving away the slightly heavier one that has a different facing to it, the shape that he prefers. But I was in a position to get this one, and I got this one. So I'm looking forward to dressing it out and getting a first forging on it, you know? But you're now here for the giveaway. And so here we go. First up is the feather bottle opener. Three clicks. So it was almost speargrass. We'll see if it's speargrass again. And one more. Granddad's Forge. Subscribed back when? Live stream? You've been since time began for me. All right, so Granddad's Forge has won the feather bottle opener. The next three are going to be up for the golden ratio calipers. Again, 3 clicks. Christopher Harry Lang, congratulations. You have won the golden ratio calipers. And the last object is the penannular brooch. This beauty right here. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Gary Brown Forging On. Congratulations. You have won the penannular brooch. Yay! Hey, so congratulations to Rob at Granddad's Forge, Christopher Harry Lang, and Gary Brown of Gary Brown Forging On. You have won the giveaway prizes for my 400 subscriber celebration. I thank you all so much for all the attention that you have given my channel and for helping me grow and gradually build up to that point where this could actually be self-sustaining. Thank you so much. In my next video, I'll start showing you how I make the new anvil stand, along with a couple of other little projects around the house. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. You know what to do if you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you want. This is not necessarily that kind of educational video, but please, enjoy the rest of your day.